Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can emote or how you can make gestures inside of Monster Hunter Wilds, okay? And as usual, we're going to use our radial menu, which you can open with your control key on your keyboard, okay? So now, you want to open your menu with your control key, and then you want to go to your communication tab, as I'm doing here, which is F5 basically, okay? Now, once that's selected, you want to hold your left mouse click and you can select whatever post or whatever message you want to send to your lobby members, okay? So these are actually going to be like messages, these icons here that are going to be sent to your lobby members, and these ones are actually going to be like these little ones here are going to be like posts, okay? So for example, if I choose upload, look what's going to happen, okay? And this is going to go actually on and on forever until I move my character. So I'm just going to press that W, for example, so you can see how it stops, okay? Now, let's say that I want to customize this further to have more emotes or more gestures, okay? What I can do is I can open my menu, and I can go to Customize Radial menu, which is in the Items and Equipment menu. And I have to go to F5, and I have to select an empty slot or a used slot, okay, if I want to replace one, okay? And now you just have to travel to this menu here and choose whatever you want, okay? You have a bunch of them that you can actually choose. And you can scroll through them with this slider here, okay? So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much.